lot of the park, not all of it, but a good portion of it, at least the portion I'll be going on. So yippee skippy. Makes riding on the roads a whole less stressful. And they also have shuttles. Like, there's one right outside my campground that will take me to all the different spots if I don't feel like riding the bike to go hiking tomorrow. Gonna check that out. Headed to the visitor center to see what they have, the stops and where they go and the times they go. Tomorrow's gonna be very exciting. I'm gonna have to find a trail that'll take me down into the depths of the canyon. That's my plan. This is beautiful. The trails look really nice. I think this is Sunset Point. I just have, yes, I'll have to check the map. Come out here for the sunset tonight. It was like a 5-minute ride from the campground. Beautiful. Okay, so went to the visitor center and I'm so glad I did. Well, more importantly, on my way here, I saw a horse crossing and I saw the stall, or not the stalls, the corrals. And I went, maybe I can ride a horse tomorrow instead of hiking, and then I get to see more. So I gave him a call. I'm on the wait list. I'm first on the wait list. He said, high probability I'll get on to do the 3-hour peekaboo trail on horseback. I'm so excited. In the meantime, I'm going to ride the bike out to Inspiration Point and check that out. Just check it out and see if maybe if I don't get on the horses, sadly, I can do that hike from Inspiration Point to wherever. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But a lot of them are all connected in this section of the park. So I can decide where I want to start, where I want to end. I can ride my bike to a point and then ride my shuttle. So many options, I don't know what to do. But anyway, I'm going to put you on time lapse so that you can see my trail. And they connect. And tomorrow, if I get to go on my horse ride, I will ride through here on horseback. But in the meantime, this is the view from the top.
Yeah, we have.
But it's beautiful.
Nice. Okay.
Last stop of the day. You think it's bonkers. Okay. You really just made it.
We're leaving Mom in the car, though. We left Mom in the car.
Oh man, it is beautiful.
It'll take 5-ish minutes to get up. Oh, we're good.
This can't capture.